everyone, it's your girl Layla. Welcome back to my channel.
No matter what they try, I'll stay by your side. It's you and
So welcome to another haul video. This is going to be on DH, aka Fence Finds. If you guys do enjoy this content and are not already subscribed, please go ahead, click that subscribe button below. I upload 3 times a week, Sunday, Wednesday, and Friday. So we're gonna just jump into the video. I did one of these not too long ago, back in December for Vlogmas. So if you guys are interested in checking out my other content like this, I have tons on my channel. And if you are interested in any of these pieces at all, definitely check me out on Instagram. Hint, hint, wink, wink. Yeah. Also, I have a Patreon completely dedicated to this type of content. So if this is all you're interested in on my channel, definitely check me out on Patreon. And I have more in-depth videos and all of that stuff about each piece on there. Definitely more in-depth than I can do here on YouTube. So let's get right into it. The first piece is right here. This is my newest piece and it is a beautiful bag. So let's go ahead and open the dust bag. I did an unboxing on this and I will post it as a short. I don't know if it's already been posted or not. I'm not 100% sure. But yeah, this is the beautiful bag right here. This is the numero 10 bag or number 10 bag. And it is absolutely beautiful. It is a loop style bag, crescent style bag, and I absolutely love it. I love the color. This is like a neutral taupey gray color. I thought it was going to be more gray, that's for sure. Like I was expecting it to be completely gray until I saw the like color description later on, and it is definitely taupe, not gray. But it is a beautiful bag. It is very in fashion right now. A lot of designers and stuff make this type of bag. The inside is really nice, really good quality. It is like a microfiber lining on there, so it does feel really expensive. And this bag is just so absolutely well done in all of the ways that it could be well done. This is what the hardware looks like. It is a beautiful gold hardware. And I don't know, this bag is just very expensive looking. Like I absolutely love this bag. It also comes with a long strap that I've not figured out yet. I haven't looked at reviews on this bag. Maybe I will, and I'll see what to do with this strap here. I don't know if you're supposed to undo this one and then put this one on, but it did come with a long strap, and this one is also adjustable as well. So it just looks like this. That is the first piece. Okay, moving on. I know for a fact that I have filmed a short on this one. I did a try on in the short and everything like that. I did an unboxing on this item, and this is the perfect winter piece in my personal opinion for when it gets cold outside. Not really so much right now because it's like minus, or it's not even minus, it's 1 degree right now, so it's not even cold. But for days when it's like maybe -10, this is perfect. So I did get a jacket. It's right here. It is a big puffer jacket and I love it. So I'll show you guys the details and stuff like that. I'm not gonna do a try on. Maybe I will. Maybe I'll do a quick try on. I'm not gonna show you guys like full body or anything, but I will try this on for this video. But if you guys want to see this in action, me unboxing it and all of that stuff, it is in my YouTube shorts, also on my TikTok. But basically the details on this coat are amazing. It does have the branding on the hood and the buttons as well. Very, very good quality. These are metal. And the zipper right here looks like this. This part is rubber, but it's a really, really cute zipper pull in my personal opinion. And then it also has the brand on the sleeve as well as the bottoms of the sleeves. So this is really nice for cold days because it does have this little sleeve right here for added warmth, which is really nice. So this is what it looks like. I mean, I personally bought it for colder days and that sort of thing, so it's gonna be functional for me. If you live in a colder climate and stuff like that, you're gonna love this coat. But if you live in somewhere like California or something, this might be just way too much. It might be way too warm. But I do like the fact that it is a puffer jacket, and also it is on the short side. It's a little bit cropped, so it's a little bit shorter than the hoodie that I'm wearing. You can also adjust it from the bottom right here. So you can adjust the bottom to make it more, you know, more fitted and everything like that. Jacket I have been wanting for the longest time, so I finally got it and I absolutely love it. So that's that. It also comes in black as well. It's just, I was really feeling the white. If you guys have ever watched Love is Blind, I really liked this on Giannina. She was wearing it in one of her Instagram posts from when she went to Colorado, and I just thought that this one photographed really well. And I like the fact that it's like an off-white. It's not like a stark white, but it does come in black as well if you're really not like a white coat type person. But yeah, overall, this is like my first jacket that I'm reviewing from DH, and I'm super impressed with it. The quality and everything is really good, and it's really nicely insulated, and I know that this will keep me warm. Okay, so next piece, I don't know if I will do an unboxing on this. I might, just to have more content, you know what I mean? Like to have more shorts and stuff like that on my channel. I've been really working on shorts for YouTube as well as for TikTok. It just gets you more traffic on your channel, I feel like. So I have been trying to do a lot more shorts, so I may do an unboxing with this, but I have worn it before, so it's kind of like a cheating unboxing, I don't know. But this is the next piece right here. It comes in this beautiful box, and if you can guess what this is, I got this back in December, and I got one for my mom, that's why. I actually ordered this on Black Friday, and I got it for my mom for Christmas. Hers is black caviar with gold hardware, and mine is black caviar with black hardware. So I do love the way that this purse looks. I think it's very, very just classy, and I love anything black on black. I do like it when my hardware matches the bag. I don't know, I've just always really liked that look, so I do love getting stuff with black hardware if it's a black bag. And this, I believe, is the size medium. I do own the smaller one of these. I have done an unboxing on it before. I got it on My Teresa, and it is the more like wallet on chain. This one is more of like a clutch because it does have, you know, compartments in here. You can fit quite a bit in here. I still don't really like bringing like a wallet in here with me or anything like that. It does have card slots. You can use those instead of bringing a full-size wallet and that sort of thing with you. And I do keep it somewhat filled or stuffed so it keeps its shape. And it does have a really nice long chain. This is not adjustable or anything like that, but it is really nice and heavy duty. Love this bag. I think that black on black honestly is so nice for the winter months. I think that this color combination is just, it's perfect. I think it would also look really good with the coat that I just showed you. I think I have an outfit idea in my head, and you know, maybe get some earmuffs in there with the coat and this bag. I think it would create a really bougie look. So next up, I got a pair of sunglasses, and you guys have seen these before. You guys have definitely seen these before because I did an unboxing of them on one of my YouTube shorts. I think it was my very first YouTube short that I uploaded was an unboxing on these. So if you haven't seen that, just go to my channel. It's like the very first one I uploaded. But I have been wanting these for a while. So I do watch a lot of 90 Day Fiancé, and one of the people on that show had these exact sunglasses, and I saw them on her and I really, really like them. So I went on a search to find these, and you know, I was considering getting the ones on the website, but I was like, absolutely not for that price. So I did find them on DH, and they are really, really good quality. They do come with everything, by the way. They come with like the dust bag, the case. These are what they look like. They are black with gold detailing. They are so nice. And I got the classic ones that everybody gets with the black lenses, but you can definitely pick out other colors. This also, I think, comes in tortoise shell if I'm not mistaken, but that's not really a color for me. I'm not a huge fan of that, but these are what they look like. I absolutely love them. And I am realizing how bright my ring light is right now because it's super dark outside. So my ring light is on like full strength. And I mean, these actually cancel out the ring light quite well. So I know that these are gonna be great outdoor sunglasses for days when it's really, really sunny outside, or like right now where we have snow on the ground and the sun kind of like reflects on the snow and makes things really bright. I think that these are just great. So I am probably gonna stick these in my car really soon so that I have them with me because I just can't wait to use them. I think these are definitely very like bougie looking, definitely very summertime looking sunglasses, but I absolutely love these and I cannot wait to use them. So that is all that I got. That is all the stuff from DH that I got recently. I tend to do more shopping for Lululemon stuff and workout wear on DH because that's really like my favorite thing to get. So I have a couple things coming from Lulu that I will do a haul on eventually. But yeah, if you guys want to see this stuff sooner, Patreon saw this one right as soon as I got it back in December. So stuff like this does take me a while to show up here on YouTube. So if you are interested in more of this type of content, definitely check me out on Patreon. The link is down below. So that is all for this video. If you guys enjoyed this one, don't forget to hit that subscribe button below. I upload 3 times a week, Sunday, Wednesday, and Friday, and I will see you guys soon with a new video. Bye.
I let you in deeper than I let anyone else before.